Sabrina Ionescu is only 6 seasons into her professional career, but her influence on the game is already clear. From record-breaking performances to a growing signature line, her shoes continue to blend elite performance with personal storytelling. The Nike Sabrina 3 has explored several themes, ranging from playful to sentimental, and now shifts closer to home with the Nike Sabrina 3 Walnut. The Walnut name is widely believed to reference Ionescu's hometown of Walnut Creek, adding a subtle but meaningful layer to the design. The story is not loudly spelled out, yet the connection feels intentional. Visually, the shoe features rich blue tones across the upper, creating a clean and energetic look. A metallic gold swoosh adds contrast and a premium feel, while black accents on the tongue and outsole provide balance. Beyond the design, the Nike Sabrina 3 Walnut delivers strong on-court style and everyday appeal. The pair is expected to release as a grade school exclusive.